How to speak English fluently and confidently. Speaking fluently in any language involves practice, patience, and exposure to the language in various contexts. Here are some tips to help you improve your fluency. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch movies, listen to music, and engage with native speakers if you can. Immersion helps you get accustomed to the natural flow and rhythm of the language. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to improving fluency. Set aside time each day to practice speaking, whether it's through conversations with language partners, reading aloud, or recording yourself speaking and then listening back for areas of improvement. Expand your vocabulary. Work on expanding your vocabulary to express yourself more precisely. Learn new words and phrases regularly, and try to use them in conversations to reinforce your learning. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to pronunciation and intonation. Practice speaking slowly and clearly at first, then gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Mimic native speakers to improve your accent and fluency. Think in the language. Try to think in the language you're learning rather than translating from your native language. This helps you become more fluent and natural in your speech. Use language learning apps and resources. Take advantage of language learning apps, online courses, and language exchange platforms to practice speaking with native speakers and receive feedback on your fluency. Engage in conversations. Seek out opportunities to engage in conversations with native speakers or other language learners. Practice speaking about a variety of topics to improve your fluency in different contexts. Be patient and persistent. Improving fluency takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are a natural part of the learning process. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from native speakers or language teachers to identify areas for improvement. Constructive feedback can help you fine-tune your speaking skills and become more fluent. Enjoy the process. Lastly, enjoy the journey of learning a new language. Find ways to make language learning enjoyable and meaningful for you, whether it's through cultural activities, travel, or connecting with others who share your language goals. By incorporating these tips into your language learning routine, you can gradually improve your fluency and feel more confident speaking in any language.